Hello everyone, it's time for Phys.Ed.School. Take your piece of equipment out on the floor and get ready to go to school. Before we begin, let's go over the rules of Phys.Ed.School. Number 1, work hard to get better. Number 2, be kind to others. And number 3, listen and do. And when you see this sign and hear this sound, it means it's time to stop and look for the next trick to do. Here we go. In Phys.Ed.School, a kindergarten student puts the ball on top of their paddle and walks around without having the ball fall off. In Phys.Ed.School, a first grade student puts the ball on their paddle again, but this time walks backwards around the gym. Watch where you're going. In Phys.Ed.School, a second grade student puts the ball on their paddle, gets into a push-up position, and tries to hold it there, doing a one-arm plank. In Phys.Ed.School, a third grade student hits the ball in the air 3 times in a row, then celebrates, and then tries it all over again. In Phys.Ed.School, a fourth grade student finds the closest wall, does a wall sit, and balances the ball on top of the paddle. In Phys.Ed.School, a 5th grade student hits the ball in the air 5 times in a row, celebrates, and then tries it all over again. In Phys.Ed.School, a middle school student tosses the ball up in the air and tries to catch it on the paddle. In Phys.Ed.School, a high school student starts on one side of the gym, strikes the ball as far as they can, picks it up, and keeps going until they get to the other side of the gym. How many hits will it take you to get from one side to the other? In Phys.Ed.School, a college student strikes the ball up in the air as many times in a row as they can. How many can you hit in a row? Now it's your turn to make up a trick. Use the equipment safely and make up a trick that you can show the rest of the class. Nice job, everyone. You graduated from Phys.Ed.School. Now, freeze!